The quest for eternal youth is a tale as old as time. From mythical fountains to cutting-edge labs, humans have long sought ways to slow down or even reverse the aging process. While a true fountain of youth remains elusive, scientific discoveries continue to unveil potential keys to a longer, healthier life. One such discovery making waves is a naturally occurring nutrient called taurine. Could this be the secret weapon against aging we've been searching for? Taurine, named after the Latin word for bull, taurus, was first discovered in ox bile in the 19th century. This discovery was a significant milestone in the field of biochemistry. Don't let its unusual origins deter you. This organic compound is far from bovine-specific. In fact, taurine is present in a wide array of animal-based foods that we consume daily. Taurine is found in various animal-based foods, with the highest concentrations in meat, seafood, and dairy products. These foods are not only delicious, but also provide essential nutrients, including taurine. While often categorized as an amino acid, taurine is technically classified as a sulfonic acid. This classification is due to its unique chemical properties. This distinction arises from taurine's unique chemical structure, which lacks the carboxyl group found in standard amino acids. This makes it a fascinating subject of study for scientists. However, like its amino acid counterparts, taurine plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. It is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, helps maintain cell volume and hydration, and supports nerve signaling. These functions are crucial for the proper functioning of the human body. Emerging scientific evidence has sparked considerable interest in taurine's potential anti-aging effects. Taurine, an amino acid found in various foods and often added to energy drinks, is now being studied for its role in promoting longevity. Studies on various organisms, from worms to mice, have shown that taurine supplementation can extend lifespan and improve markers of health as these animals age. These studies suggest that taurine may help in maintaining cellular function and reducing oxidative stress. In one notable study, researchers discovered that middle-aged mice given taurine supplements lived longer and experienced improvements in various health indicators, including bone density, muscle strength, and cognitive function. These findings highlight taurine's potential in combating age-related decline. While more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans, the initial results are promising. Scientists are hopeful that taurine could one day be part of a strategy to enhance human health and longevity. Section 4. How taurine works in the body. Taurine's ability to combat aging likely stems from its multifaceted role in cellular health, making it an essential nutrient for overall well-being. As a potent antioxidant, taurine helps neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from damage and reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. This protective effect is crucial in combating oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging and age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's and cardiovascular conditions. Furthermore, taurine plays a vital role in maintaining cellular energy production, which is essential for sustaining life and health. It supports the function of mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, ensuring an adequate supply of energy for cellular processes, thereby enhancing overall cellular efficiency. Taurine also aids in calcium regulation within cells, contributing to proper muscle function and nerve signaling, which are critical for movement and coordination. Section 5. Taurine. Food, supplements, and the fountain of youth. Given the potential benefits of taurine, it's natural to wonder about the best ways to ensure adequate intake. For most people, consuming a balanced diet rich in taurine-rich foods is a good starting point. Meat, particularly shellfish and dark meat poultry, are excellent sources of taurine. Dairy products, eggs, and some seaweed varieties also contribute to dietary taurine intake,